Okay, so there was a startup of one of the 2017 1.5-ton Goodman heat pumps in cool mode. It's got a Copeland skull compressor, just like all three of them. I got this one last night, and then I got this one just like 30 minutes ago. This one actually just shut off. So, yeah. Here's the logo. So. There's the fan motor. 14 SEER. It's the company that installed it. Air Comfort. This thing is kind of low on refrigerant, so it's not really gonna get that cold. But yeah. Yeah. I don't think this thing is gonna be on for too long. Just like 3 minutes at the most, I think. Yeah. You can probably see the reverser valve in there. And the reverser valve for this one. Right over there. One for this one. And right in there. So, yeah. I just wanted to get a startup of the Goodman because, with my new setup, my new tripod, so hopefully that turned out. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.